Hey everyone, welcome back to Milton Black Engineering Graphics. And today we're in FreeCAD's Sketcher Workbench, creating a sketch with arcs and lines based on the figure shown on screen. We'll draw a 50 mm arc, blending with a line and a 20 mm circle. Let's jump in. Let's start with the base geometry. Use the line tool to draw a horizontal line of 65 millimeters. Now we need a 50 mm arc that blends with the line at one point and touches the 20 mm circle externally. Select the arc by center tool. Place the arc's center at the end of the line. Set the radius to 50 millimeters using the dimension tool. Draw the arc upward so it intersects the next arc we'll create. Ensure it's constrained to the line's endpoint using the coincident constraint. For the second arc, we need it to touch the 20 mm circle externally. Since it's external, the arc's radius is 70 millimeters, 50 millimeters plus 20 millimeters. Draw the arc to intersect the first 50 mm arc. And there's our sketch. We've created a precise design with a 50 mm arc blending a line and a 20 mm circle, all in FreeCAD's Sketcher Workbench. That's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this Sketcher Workbench tutorial. If it helped, hit like, subscribe to Milton Black Engineering Graphics, and comment your thoughts below. Check out our FreeCAD part design tutorials playlist for more. Next, we'll explore more Sketcher examples. Thanks for watching. See you next time.